Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam. Today at Mobhouse Punboxing, I have a very big brown box with something fragile. I guess I need to open this box with a good smile because we have company. Anyways, I'm doing this because Netflix is releasing their live-action Cowboy Bebop soon, which spiked a lot of interest from Zoomers who were just swimming around racing to get born when the anime first came out in 1998. Let's jet right into our sponsor of the day, Gatcha, not matcha, a Malaysian store that specializes in Japanese figurines, trading figures, blind boxes, and capsule toys. They are also the distributor for many popular Japanese toy brands like the Good Smile Company. I've been shopping with them for a while now before they found out about my secret identity and hit me up for a collaboration. You can find them in these secret locations. Also, feel free to use our code for 5% off store-wide. Links in the description below. Gatcha, catch them all! Back to the punboxing. I don't mean to be vicious, but I do hope that John Cho doesn't ruin it for all of us. In theory, I should be rooting for him because of Asian representation, but on this occasion, I fear that the anime got lost in translation. Maybe it's because we're moving up from the 4:3 aspect ratio to 16:9. Have to de-squeeze. Spike was 6'1", now he's only 5'10". Oh yeah, before I forget to tell you guys, we're checking out the Megahouse 1/8 scale Cowboy Bebop, Spike, Spiegel, and Faye Valentine first gig set today that I turbally from Gatcha. And because we are still amidst a public health situation, I would just like to remind everybody to use protection. Don't simply punch and burjudi. Why? Because haram. Wow, that was bad even for me. Okay, for me, Cowboy Bebop is such a classic not only because of the incredible writing, but also the crazy fight scenes. Spoiler alert for all the noobs out there. In the first episode, they show you this goofy dude getting his butt handed to him when he first met the big bad bounty, followed by a bunch of other sequences before letting him bust a move like Bruce Lee. Ooh-rah! Guys, I want you to meet random piece of plastic. If you guys know what it's for, leave a comment down below. Now, I haven't done this in a while, so I wanted a head start by watching some YouTube videos. And you know this anime is old when all the characters smoke. So 1998. Wow, such a nice piece of glass as the backdrop. They even let you pick up the pieces for your missus who wishes that you spend less money on figures. She just can't take it anymore. Annie, are you okay? So, Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Again, I have zero idea what this piece does. Time to assemble our first figure. Firstly, we need to give Spike a facelift and a gun to smoke his enemies. Then I shove the stabby bits into the backdrop. Quite easy, right? Granted, I know it doesn't take Einstein to know how to set up this figure, but the plug just refuses to go into the port. Stop laughing, bull! Next, we have the OG best girl, every weeaboo's Valentine. Make way for Faye the Bae, who can kick butt for days. By the way, did you know that she's Singaporean? Mind blown. Also, what do you guys think about the cast for the new Netflix series? So, Faye was supposed to be Asian, or Singaporean Chinese most likely, but they casted Daniela Pineda, who's Mexican. And Jet is now African American. I personally think that it's fine as long as Netflix doesn't completely whitewash it and butcher it like they did Death Note. Ugh. I'm just gonna watch it with an open mind because it's about time that somebody gave Cowboy Bebop the credit it deserves. So this Faye figure is assembled pretty much the same way as the previous one, except it's a lot easier to mount. Oi, jangan terpesong. But honestly, I'm quite impressed with the sculpt on this. We're getting loads of detail on the weapons, and the folds on the fabric are very well done. I also appreciate the extra heads they give. Time for the beauty shots. Cue the B-roll. So that was the first figure punboxing here on Mobhouse. Like and share if you like it, subscribe if you love it. Also, leave a comment down below to let us know what you think. Should we do more of this? And are you excited about the Netflix live action Cowboy Bebop? Or do you think that it's completely unnecessary? Let me know. And I will see you in the next one.